Hey guys, welcome to Mrs. Cowart's in-home teaching for you to be taught from my home to your classroom. So, are you so excited about learning? It's not really learning, it's just reviewing. And you guys are really smart, so you are going to do great on the text test. Yay! So we're going to go over a few things today, and then we'll do some stuff tomorrow, and then on Monday, and then you guys are going to be ready to take the test, and you're going to rock it, and I'm going to be so proud. I'm going to give you high fives in the hallway and in the classroom and tell you you're awesome. So, I bet you've missed me. I know. I'm just kidding. But I've missed you guys, and so hopefully I will see you soon, and you will tell me how great you did on your text test. So we're going to review biology stuff. You guys have been reviewing IPC stuff for a couple weeks. So now we're going to do our bio review, which is stuff we've already gone over, and then you guys are going to do just a quick review using the terminology you should know, using your notes, and if you have any problems, you can go to Mr. Johnston, and he actually has some terms that can help spark your memory, but hopefully you can do this all on your own after this little presentation. And, yes. Okay, so I'm going to draw you some pictures, and you know I'm a really good drawer, so get prepared, and here it comes. Okay. Alright, so we're going to go over a few things. Those are my color pencils, and that's my cell phone. But now we are going to go over the different types of cells. Remember, there are prokaryotes and there are eukaryotes. Remember, prokaryotes, there's only one example of that, and that is, maybe it'll focus in, woo, bacteria. And I'll draw you a little picture of it. Woo. And bacteria are just really simple. They have flagella. Remember we watched that one video, that Let's Get It On video about it? But they do not have a nucleus, and we call them prokaryotes. Oh look, it's really hard to look through the little camera into it. Prokaryotes. Okay, so anyhow, they just have ribosomes. They have a nucleus that looks like, and they do not have a nucleus, but they have DNA, that looks like spaghetti. So that's what I was trying to get at. So there you go, prokaryotes. So that's the first type of cells. Remember, the only example are bacteria. There are two types of bacteria. You've got archaebacteria, archaea, like archaeology. And then you have eubacteria, the bacteria you're familiar with, like you. There we go. Alright, so that is the first one. Okay, the next type is what? Well, you have prokaryotes, and the other one is like you, so it is what? I hope someone answered. Oh no, tragic. This one. Eukaryote. Maybe I can rub off the lens real quick. Hold on. Did that help? Not really, huh? Oh, it's okay. You guys are really good at seeing stuff. Okay, so eukaryotes. Eukaryotes, we talk about, it's every other type of cell. So we have like your plant cell, and there's nucleus, and we'll draw some other stuff like mitochondria, blah, 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 blah. So anyhow, you've got your plant cells, your fungi cells, your animal cells, all sorts of cells are eukaryotes. So everything else is like you, and they have a nucleus. And inside that nucleus, they keep their DNA. Alright, so those are the two main types of cells. So now we're going to talk about cell parts. Okay, so inside of your cell, that's an animal cell, you have a nucleus. And inside of that nucleus, remember, you have DNA, which is your genetic material, right? So that's where you get whatever from mom and pops. So that is your nucleus. Nucleus. So that's a major cell part. Okay, and we'll just go quickly over a few other ones. Remember, on the outside, next to your DNA, you have, your nucleus, you have rough ER, and then you have smooth ER. And your rough ER has ribosomes on it. There you go, rough ER, and it has ribosomes on it. And remember, ribosomes make. I hope someone said something, and I hope their answer was, whoa, there we go, kind of focus in, is, or was, proteins. So you have ribosomes that make proteins. And you can also have ribosomes just all through here. Okay, also, you guys have, or we all have, things that kind of look like this, and those are called, they make energy, what are they called? Mitochondria. Alright, and here's the chemical equation for it. You're going to have to do this later, so watch it. Mitochondria, what do you have to do? You have to breathe, and you have to eat, right? And whenever you see it, you're going to see it like that. You have to breathe and you have to eat, and then boom, something happens, and you end up with, see, oxygen and carbon dioxide, and you end up with water. We call it metabolic water. And you end up with, sorry, my daughter's waking up. Isn't that exciting? Okay, you end up with water, you end up with energy, and you end up with carbon dioxide. Sorry, I meant to put, you breathe and you eat. So, here we do have 6. Sorry. So you have oxygen and you have glucose, and then you breathe and you eat, and then out goes water, energy, and carbon dioxide. That's what happens when you hear a small child crying in the background. You can't think correctly. So that is, here, we'll go, I'll show you her. Ready? Here she is. She's not very happy right now. So I'm going to tend to her, and then I'll finish up.